Hello! Welcome on my YouTube channel. You have seen how I have cleaned out those engines, how I have painted it, sandblasted it, removed all bolts and nuts and cleaned the surfaces so the gasket will stick better on. One thing I have to do is clean out the cylinder liners or cylinder sleeves, whatever you call them, and normally if you don't have the special tool, do it by hand with sandpaper or grinding paper. What we want is a little scratched surface. When that is there, the oil will smooth out and the piston rings will do better their jobs. I have the special tool here. You can buy them. It's with grinding stones on the top of it, and it's very simple, and because they are in line with each other and a long based element, they will find their way in the cylinder sleeve. I use a drill, give it some tension, a little bit of lubrication, more tension, later on I will show you what I have done. Ooh, that's not nice. I need some more. I see a lot of rust. Ah, that's better. Yes, that's a lot better. It's the finishing touch. Later on I will show you. That one is almost empty, nothing there. Look how much dirt there's coming off. It's paint. Yes, it's also iron. I be aware of that. Don't worry. Normally there is plenty of material to grind away for the maximum measurement that Honda specifications. It's not the best way to use. Let me find another one. Yeah, looks nice too. Give it the last finishing touch. Alright, that's what I want to see. Yes. And every time clean out the engine. Take out the dirt away. You still find sand like that. This one I want to do again. Yes, that's fine. Yes, yes, I'm happy with that one. If you don't have those grinding stones, please do it with a sandpaper. Ooh. That's very nice. Then I show you something different, because I see something, and don't worry about that, you will find it in any engine. Also here, clean out every time you clean out the engine, please don't leave it there. Take a cloth, towel or something like that and clean out the mess you make. So now I'm going to pick up the camera. I want to show you something. There you see a line. I hope you see a line. It's very fine, and all those scratches are in V shape to how do I say, the oil wants to be sticky on this, and it will yeah, how do I say that, it will find its way on the surface. You also can find a little line on top of the cylinder. Also there you see a little line. That is where the upper piston ring, the compression piston ring, stops. Don't grind it away. That's not necessary, because then you will have a problem. It's fine, it's very fine, it's nice. I also grinded the top sleeve here. Later on it will help me to put the piston rings in place. I will explain later on. There you see a line going up and down. That's from an end of a piston ring. And there you find also two lines. Yes, I know you don't want to have them, but they are there. And when I grind it out, you get a problem, because then the cylinder sleeve is too wide and you will not have enough compression. Those lines, you never know. You don't know it is there. You don't feel them. This engine will perform like the other ones. Maybe using a little bit more oil, but that is almost nothing. When I feel it with my finger, it is barely not to feel. So yeah, I can feel something, but it is almost nothing. So maybe I will grind it a little bit more, give it more. No, I do not want to do that. It's not nice, I know, but it's usable. Don't worry about that. It looks nice. Two engines, and they are done. And now I'm going to find me a crankshaft, push rods, bearings, all that kind of stuff. and I also find new parts to put on there, and follow me in rebuilding this engine. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye bye.